I want to cut it all off. I've been growing it out for a while. I want the marlin cut.
Marlin cut, buzz cut. Damn, that's kind of crazy, man. You got like a lot of hair though. You just want to chop it like that?
Yeah.
Okay. I understand, man. You could do the buzz cut, the bald head, but you know, your corners, man. I don't know if that would be the best option. Cause you see like your corners, you might expose them a little too much with that buzz cut. But I think a better solution for you, you know, you could do like a texture fringe top, you know, texturize the top a little bit and a nice blowout tape on the side. I think the ladies at school gonna like that. What you think?
I mean, I guess I trust them.
Okay, cool. So now when it comes to your haircut, what would be most important to you?
I'm on barber, cut off like half inch or an inch, and then they cut off like way more than that. I hate when they do that.
Oh, damn. Okay. So we definitely gonna give you that ideal cut that you want. Ready for the cut?
Yeah.
Let me put you back in the game.